This is our Gold Rescue Cream, and this is our most intense moisturizer. And how it works is it uses gold, which is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories available, and also helps heal damaged skin. It also uses omega-6 ceramides, and omega-6 ceramides help strengthen the lipid matrix of the skin, and essentially that is the natural barrier function. So again, it keeps in hydration, and it also protects the skin against free radicals. It also uses polypeptides, and polypeptides work with the collagen and elastin already in your skin to increase elasticity and firmness. And how I use it is I use it over a serum on freshly washed skin. And I use it again when I need intense hydration or when I'm suffering from redness or sensitivity, as I often do. And it's a formulation that Steve and I are very, very proud of, because it is a water and oil formulation, which is very, very sophisticated. And typically when you have a product as effective, a water and oil formulation, which is quite rare, they're filled with synthetic ingredients. And this product is natural. It's the only natural water and cream formulation on the market. And so we're very, very proud of it.